Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 7 minus 10 bracket 7 minus 10. So 7 minus 10 is minus 3, 7 minus 10 is minus 3 and minus 3 times minus 3 is 9, which is the incorrect answer. This expression looks simple but still many people fail to solve this because they take this approach, which is wrong. When you have given multiple operations like this, here subtraction, then parenthesis, and in parenthesis there is subtraction, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you call it. This rule helps you to choose the which operation you have to solve first. So here P stands for parenthesis. First always solve the parenthesis if given, then exponent, then multiplication, division. Both have same priority but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority but you have to solve it from left to right. So let's solve this expression with the help of PEMDAS rule. So first solve the parenthesis. So write the left out term 7 minus 10. Here 7 minus 10 is minus 3 and there is a multiplication sign. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as per PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication. So minus 10 times minus 3 is plus 30 and 7 plus 30 is 37. So what is the correct answer? 37, not 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.